Hi everyone, another very exciting week in space exploration. Now that the Perseverance Rover has landed on Mars, JPL is getting ready to attempt the first powered flight of another aircraft on a celestial body other than Earth. Today we plan to take a look at that aircraft, which is a robotic helicopter named Ingenuity. Welcome to Reaching for the Moon, hosted by me, Ed Grace. For those of you that don't know me, I worked on the Apollo program for 10 years and was a member of the Apollo 13 Mission Operations Team awarded the Presidential Medal of Freedom. Before we start our visit with Ingenuity, I would like to share with you some fantastic still pictures that have been received on Earth from Perseverance since its recent landing. These are 4 still shots of the Mars landscape consolidated on the slide being shown. The color and quality are unbelievable. JPL scientists cannot wait to receive the information that will be captured and forwarded by the Perseverance Rover and Ingenuity helicopter once they start to explore the Mars surface. Next, I have a 30-second panorama view from Perseverance that I'd like to share with you. Here it is. Great images. Ingenuity has sent its first status report since landing on Mars, and the signal arrived via the iconic Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter. The report on the status of the batteries of the helicopter, as well as the operation of the base station, was very good. Riding strapped to the belly of the rover, Ingenuity survived the perilous 7-month journey from Earth to Mars and the descent from space to the Mars surface. The helicopter aircraft will be deployed from the rover's deck and is expected to fly up to 5 times during its test campaign in the next 2 months. Each flight was going to take no more than 3 minutes at altitudes ranging from 10 feet to 35 feet above the ground, but it could potentially cover a maximum distance of about 2,000 feet per flight. It will use autonomous control and communicate with Perseverance directly after each landing. Due to the distance between Earth and Mars, the helicopter mission controllers can't fly the aircraft in real time the way a drone pilot could use a joystick to maneuver them here on Earth. The time it takes for a signal to travel from Earth to Mars is approximately 11 minutes and much longer than the helicopter's entire flight time. Ingenuity's goal will be to scout interesting targets for further study on Mars and to help plan the best driving routes for Perseverance as it explores the Mars surface. If it works as expected, NASA will be able to build on the design for future Mars missions. The base station, in addition to communicating with the Perseverance rover, also operates the critically important heaters that keep the electronics within an acceptable temperature operating range in the cold Mars environment. The Mars helicopter Ingenuity will test the technology to actually fly on Mars, where the atmospheric pressure on the surface of Mars is only about 1% of that of Earth. The extremely rarefied air on Mars makes the helicopter flight extraordinarily challenging. Ingenuity will spin its 2 counter-rotating rotors 5 times faster than Earth helicopters, about 40 times per second. Ingenuity's rotors are about 4 feet in diameter and are relatively oversized to maximize lift. Ingenuity is also very light, only weighs about 4 pounds. Mars does give Ingenuity a break in one area. Mars has only about 1/3 the surface gravity of Earth, so therefore Ingenuity does not need as much vertical thrust to lift off the surface of Mars as it would need on Earth. Next, I have a short artist animation video of what an Ingenuity flight would look like that I'd like to share with you. Wow, how exciting that first flight is going to be. Ingenuity will soon get a chance to perform. Once Perseverance gets fully up and running, the mission team will find a suitable airfield and let the Ingenuity helicopter fly. The rover will attempt to document these flights from a safe distance using its camera and microphones. Hopefully, the next time I show you a video of an Ingenuity flight, it's going to be the initial actual flight on Mars. Well, with today, that's the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed the Mars images and video as much as I did. If you enjoyed it, give us a like. Hit the subscribe and notification buttons to be notified every time Reaching for the Moon posts a new video. Thank you for watching. Remember always, failure is not an option. Bye.